Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I know. I'm sorry about that. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing good. But yeah, new hair, new me. Just kidding. No, I just wanna talk to you guys about hair because I've been getting so much questions about it. So get your notebooks, get your cell phone, get your notepad, and get some notes. Hope you guys ready. Give you guys a second. Alright, you ready? Alright, if you're not, alright. Alright, first and foremost, in order to know what kind of hair you want, please, if your hair is fucked up, by meaning like dry, crazy, fried, like a scoba, a broom, if you don't know, please stop what you're doing and stop coloring and bleaching it. Going dark, it's not gonna help the problem. Or going light, it's not gonna fucking help. Going darker or light. So please stop what you're doing right now and stop it. Anyways, so yeah, one is stop messing up your hair. Treat it. Hair is the same as skin or makeup. You have to treat it like it's your skin, you know, special. It's basically, it's whatever you eat, it goes on your skin and on your hair. So that's one. Second is use good products. Okay, good products. Whatever products might work for you, it might not work for me, because hair is different from everybody. Like, I have naturally curly hair for the ones that do know me, and my hair is like naturally whatever my root is, like I'm through. So that's my natural hair. I have basically baby lights. Third or second, I'm lost count. What is it? Oh, study your fucking hairstylist. Okay, study the hell out of it before. Investigate her or him. Know who he's married to. Know if he's cheating or not. Or not. I'm fucking with you guys on that. No, but seriously, ask questions before you go to your hairstylist. No matter what, ask questions. Like, what kind of hair products they use, what is their technique, what kind of bleach they use, what kind of hair color, what do they suggest, whatever. You have to investigate your hairstylist. Trust me, because I've been there and done that. I had worse hairstylists out there, and I'm not gonna mention who, but I did once. And haircuts too, that's another topic. But you need to investigate your hairstylist for sure before you go to it. And another major thing is, do not go about the hairstyle or the picture on Instagram or social media or whatever picture is out there. Always make sure you know in real life if you've seen somebody's hair done, because obviously social media it's good and bad, because some hairstylists Photoshop or smooth it, whatever. Because I seen like hairstylists like in hair, real life hair and photo hair, it's completely different. You cannot see the real colors and the real damage the hairstylists have done. So please please do not focus on just pictures. Know and feel somebody's hair if they have actually gone with that person. And another, treat your hair as like it's your fucking skin. Trust me, like, you gotta spend good products on your hair. Hair masks, oils, conditioners, there's so many things but to work with your hair. And and another major thing is take vitamins. Vitamins is your best friend to have naturally long, beautiful hair. Okay, vitamins, daily vitamins, biotins, or gummy bears, or whatever. Everybody's hair is different, and everybody's whatever they're gonna take is gonna react different to everybody. So it might work for you, whatever I take. It might not. Just like I said, it's like everybody's skin color is different. It's the same thing as hair. And another thing is, stop washing your no, seriously, stop washing your hair every day. Seriously, stop that. That is just damning the hell out of your hair. Okay, like, you guys gotta stop that. Do not wash your hair every day. It's bad. You're just stripping of your the natural protein or the natural oils that you're producing, and that is actually helping your hair grow. So how I wash my hair, I wash it like Mondays and Fridays. That's it. It's kind of nasty, and I go to the gym and everything, but that's it. That's how my hair got like back long, healthy, and strong, you know. Nah, I'm just kidding. But no, seriously, like, you need to stop washing your hair every day. And another major freaking, can't say it enough, do not style or put heat on your hair every freaking day. Stop what you're doing there. Just stop. Trust me, give your hair a break for like a whole month and start treating it. Start using oils and hair masks and all this good stuff. There's a lot of crazy things out there. Whatever, you work for a whole month and you're gonna see the difference. You're seriously gonna see a difference. I didn't like use hair heat like at all for like 3 months because I was out of town, and I didn't use heat for like 3 months, and my hair just feels more fucking amazing since forever. I mean, I always had thick hair, but my hair feels more fucking amazing and bomb for like the rest of my whole fucking life, because I've been blonde for like years, like many freaking years. So yeah, do not put heat every freaking day. There's heatless curls that I actually do. If you guys want to see that, I could do a video on that and show you guys how to do it, and step by steps and what I do, blah blah blah. Let me know down below if you do, because that's the way that I actually curl my hair if I want to be like extra and whatever. But I do not straighten my hair no more. Like, the straightening, I guess, messed up more my hair, like really bad. So I just don't straighten my hair at all. I'll curl it with the heatless curls. I'll sleep on it or whatever, or braid it, you know. But other than that, I do not put any heat at all on my hair. It's been 3 months, but now it's 3, 4, 5, like 5 months, I would say, that I haven't put any freaking heat on my hair. And look at my hair, like, my hair is bomb. Okay. If you guys want to know any more questions, concerns, comments, or whatever, you know what to freaking do. No, I'm just kidding. No, but seriously, feel free to comment below. Obviously subscribe, and obviously drop down the ghost if you come from Snapchat, and drop down the camera if you come from IG. Let me know where you came from, and I'll holla back. I know I'm I'm too much sometimes. Anywho, thank you for coming back, and I hope I'll be back here and chat with you guys and show you guys more. Any comment concerns, you know what to freaking do. Mwah. Love you guys.